Omegaman here, and you too can be a hero.
Helping everyone respect others. Let's have some fun.
I want you to know we could be bully free, but it starts with you and me. I want everyone to repeat this after me. Say, I am bully free. It starts with you and me. Because that's where it starts. It starts with you being respectful on the school bus, in the classroom, hallway, playground, lunchroom, and even on social media. Oh no, Deceptor and his gang are on the loose, and they are on their way to planet Earth to spread their bad choices. My team and I need to stop Deceptor and his gang by letting kids know how to be dream makers and not dream breakers in life.
Full stop.
Let's go, team! One way to stop Deceptor and his gang is to make sure that we are always living a bully-free life. What is bullying? Bullying in the dictionary means the act of intimidating a weaker person to do something, and it's usually repeated over time. There are many types of bullying, and today I want to identify what they are. The first one is physical bullying. Physical bullying involves hurting a person's body or possessions. Physical bullying includes hitting, kicking, pinching, spitting, tripping, pushing, taking or breaking someone's things, making mean or rude hand gestures. The second type of bullying is verbal bullying. That's saying or writing mean things. Verbal bullying includes teasing, name-calling, inappropriate comments, taunting, threatening to cause harm. The third type of bullying is social bullying. That involves hurting someone's reputation or relationships. Social bullying includes leaving someone out on purpose, telling other classmates not to be friends with someone, spreading rumors about someone, embarrassing someone in public. The fourth type of bullying is cyberbullying. Cyberbullying takes place over digital devices like cell phones, computers, and tablets. It includes sending, posting, or sharing negative, harmful, false, or mean content about someone else. Sending or posting pictures that are not yours to share. Making negative comments online about someone. Agreeing with someone who posts something harmful. And remember, some cyberbullying crosses the line into unlawful or criminal behavior.
Bullying is never okay, cool, or acceptable. No one ever deserves to be bullied.
So remember, let's be bully free. Always use your superhero powers for good.
So let's always be dream makers.
You see, a dream maker makes good choices. They respect others with their words and actions. On the school bus, in the classroom, lunchroom, hallway, playground, and even on social media.
Are you asking us to be best friends with everyone in our school?
We all look different, act different, we like different things. In other words, we all have different superhero powers. But just because someone's superhero powers are different than yours, should we treat them any different?
You accept and support everyone just the way they are.
Now that's a true hero. Hey, superhero friends, what's the bully-free pledge again?
I am bully-free. It starts with you and me.
This is Omegaman Friends, and we want you to have a superhero day. And remember, let's be bully-free, and it starts with you and me.